Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Aufakat Vandaka Pratama from TBI3. Today I would like to present first speaker positive and first speaker negative with motion THY ban the commercialization of youth sport. First I will read the first speaker positive. Background: Goal: to protect the physical and mental well-being of youth athletes by eliminating profit-driven pressure in youth sport. Status quo: currently, youth sport are heavily commercialized with sponsorship, media coverage, and final incentives prior- prioritizing winning over development. Example: young athletes in competitive league face burnout due to extensive training schedules. Problematic: commercialization exploits young athletes, reduce accessibility for low-income families, and shift focus from skill development to profit. The definition: keyword A is commercialization, the process of managing or running youth sport primarily for financial gain. Keyword B, youth sport. Or, organize athletic activities for individual under 18. Mechanism. Step 1. Government impose bans on sponsorship and entry fees for youth leagues. Step 2. School communities provide free, equitable access to sports program. Step 3. Independent bodies monitor compliance to ensure focus on athlete welfare. Keyword C. Exploitation. Unfair use of young athletes to financial or reputational benefits. Timeline. First speaker will explain how commercialization harms young athletes. Second speaker will highlight the societal benefits of banning it. Case point 1. Why commercialization should be banned. A. Commercialization leads burnout and inequality. What? Extensive training schedule. Why pressure to win? How reduce playtime? Effect mental health issue. Future impact is favor lifelong participant. E. Studies show 70% of young youth athletes quit by age 13 due to stress. L. Banning commercialization ensures sport remain inclusive and developmental. Point 2. Why banning is effective? A. Non-commercial models prioritize participation over profit. Urgency: rising dropout rates. Mechanism: public funding. Benefit: healthier athletes, problem solving, reduce inequality. E. Norway models yields higher athlete satisfaction and retention. L. Replicable solution for global youth sports. Point 3. Why exploitation should end. Exploitation violates child welfare principles. What? Unpaid labor. Why? Profit motives. How? Media deals affect loose childhood. Future impact. Legal liabilities. E. UNICEF condemns child exploitation in sport. Ethical imperative to act. Comparison. Now let's compare. If we being negative position, the condition will be worse because access inequality, health risks, and talent waste. Even if they want to reboot us that sponsor found opportunities, It will never happen because 85% of sponsorship money goes to 1% of elite athletes. Next, I will read the first speaker negative. Response background. Commercialization also funds scholarship and facilities. Definition: youth sport activi- ac- activities fostering teamwork and discipline. The rebuttals. First rebuttals in the point one about banning reduces funding, limiting limiting opportunities for low-income athletes. Second rebuttals in the point two about burnout system from poor coaching, not commercialization. Timeline: first speaker will show flaws in the band's logic. Second speaker will prove commercialization benefits outweigh harms. Case point one is why commercialization not banned. Commercialization expand access. What sponsorship? Why cover costs? How free equipment affect more participation, future impact, diverse talent pools. E. NBA's youth program increase accessibility. L. Banning harms inclusivity. Point 2. Why banning is not effective. A. Public funding is public funding is unreliable. R. Not urgency. Status quo is work. Weak mechanism, tax burdens, not benefit, stagnant growth, no problem solving, worsens sport access. E. Increase public funded sport face budget cuts. L. Commercialization ensures sustainability. Point 3. Why exploitation should be not banned. Exploitation is rare. Benefits are systemic. What? Mislabeling. Why? Overgeneralization. How? Strict regulation exists. Effect. Improve oversight. Future impact. Balance system. E. FIFA's youth standards prevent exploitation. L. Address abuse, not the system. The comparison. Now let's compare. If we being preposition, preposition position, the condition will be worse because funding crisis, opportunity collapse, grassroots destruction. Even if they want to reboot us that competition harm kids, it will never happen because 94% Olympians say competition build their character. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.